Always a terrific venue to watch a football match. I'm talking about the Emirates Stadium here in North London. Keeper Nicolas Pepe. Well, the referee has reached for his pocket early on here. We've barely got started and already a yellow card. Now, will that be potentially problematic for player and official?
Well, it will be, because the player's on the tightrope now. He's now thinking about everything that goes in front of him.
Dani Ceballos. Granit Xhaka. And now passing it through. Can he do it? An Arsenal corner. On the break. Well, that's one for them to pursue. Looks promising, this. Just couldn't get it through. Granit Xhaka. It's a controlled Aubameyang. Well, good technique in terms of how he struck it. And he takes it away. Ceballos. Well, only just wide of the post.